Welcome back to Product Critique, where we dive deep into the best products out there. Today, we're talking about the novelinks transparent 4 inches by 6 inches photo cases and clear craft keeper with handle, often referred to as the best memory photo box. If you're someone who loves to keep their memories organized, whether that's photographs, crafts, or other small items, this is the storage solution you've been looking for. This photo box is a game changer when it comes to organizing your precious keepsakes. It's not just a storage box, it's a system designed to protect and display your memories. The set includes 16 individual photo cases, each designed to hold 100 photos, so you can store up to 1,600 photos in total. Whether you're a scrapbook enthusiast, a photography lover, or simply someone who loves to keep their family photos safe, this is the ultimate way to ensure your memories are kept organized and protected. The clear plastic design of the cases allows for easy identification of your photos without having to open every single case. It's a simple feature, but incredibly useful when you want to grab a specific picture quickly. The cases are stackable, which means you can keep them neatly stored without taking up too much space. And the included craft keeper with a handle helps you keep everything secure and portable. Whether you're storing photos, craft supplies, or even important office documents, this storage box keeps everything tidy and easily accessible. One of the best features of this product is its durability. It's made of strong plastic that's designed not to crack or break easily, making it perfect for long-term storage. The snap-tight closures ensure that the contents are secure, so you don't have to worry about anything falling out or getting damaged. The larger exterior box itself is perfectly designed to hold all 16 inner cases securely in place, making it easy to move around when needed. If you're someone who loves to stay organized, you'll love that each case comes with a spot for labeling. You can add labels to keep track of dates, events, or specific categories. This makes it so much easier to find exactly what you're looking for without having to sift through a jumble of disorganized items. The entire system is a simple, yet highly effective way to stay organized and protect your memories. If you're not using this box for photos, it can also be a great solution for organizing things like arts and crafts supplies, trading cards, cosmetics, or even small hardware items. The possibilities are endless, and with its practical design, you can use it for virtually anything that needs storing and organizing. So whether you're looking for a way to keep your photos safe, or you need a versatile storage solution for your crafting supplies, the novelinks transparent photo cases and craft keeper is an excellent choice. It's reliable, easy to use, and offers fantastic protection for all of your valuable items. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more product insights. We'll see you in the next video.